Last one, it says determine whether f is an exponential function of x of the form f of x equals a times b to the x. If so, find the constant ratio. When we're looking at constant ratios, we are focused on the y values. As long as our x values are split up evenly, which they are, in this case we're going up by 1, up by 1, up by 1, up by 1, great. Then we just need to check out the y values. Now, in previous chapters, in previous units, we were looking at like linear, quadratic, cubic, quartic, etc. And we would look at the differences. So we would take one number and subtract the previous number to figure out the difference. Now we actually have to go through and instead of subtracting to figure out the difference, we're going to end up dividing. So first, we're going to end up with 3.5 divided by 1.16 repeated. Now, in order to get that in your calculator, if you don't know what 1.1 or 0.16 is as a decimal, you can just do 3.5 divided by 1.1 and then just a bunch of sixes after that. Either way, it's going to simplify down to just 3. Now, on the next one, you'll do 10.5 divided by 3.5, which will also give you 3. Next one, 31.5 divided by 10.5. Bet you can't guess what that one is. And the last one, 94.5 divided by 31.5. Hey, guess what? It's also 3. So is this exponential? Yes, it's exponential. And the second part of the question is, what's the constant ratio? So it's exponential with a constant ratio. So what? A constant number that you're multiplying by every time. Of 3. So again, if you're multiplying by the same number every time to get from one y value to the next y value, to get from one output to the next, that's your constant ratio, and therefore it is exponential.